In the wake of COVID-19, an infectious disease caused by newly discovered coronavirus, entire mankind across the globe is suffering from it. In Ayurveda, this is documented under the context of Janapadodvansa. The infectious disease is considered as a Sankramika Rogas. Ayurveda's intensive information on preventive care drives through the vastness of Dinacharya and Ritucharya to maintain healthy life. Simplicity and awareness about oneself and the harmony, which is achieved by an individual by uplifting and maintaining their immunity. This is highly emphasized in Ayurvedic classical literatures. Further, Ayurveda emphasizes on prevention first. As it is mentioned that the aim of Ayurveda is Swasthasya Swasarakshanam. In that direction, the Swasthahita Dravyas are given in the form of Rasayana and Vajikarana. Ojas is considered as responsible for the Vedic Shamatva, that is immunity. There are many immunity enhancing drugs and formulations are mentioned in Ayurvedic classics. Few of them are as follows. Number 1. Guduchi, Tinospora cardifolia. Drinking 500 to 1000 mg of this aqueous extract of Guduchi increase the immunity. Number 2. Haridra. Gargling with warm water, adding a teaspoon of Haridra to it increases the immunity. And number 3 is Amla. Fresh Amla fruit can be eaten and candies are also available. And number 4, Ashwagandha. Ashwagandha root churna or powder is to be taken 3 to 5 grams twice a day in a warm water or milk. And number 5, Tulsi. Water processed with Tulsi is helpful in increasing immunity. Here are few formulations which enhances immunity. First one is Chavanaprasha Avaleha, which is to be taken 10 to 12 grams a day. And the next one is Draksha Avaleha, which is taken in the same quantity, that is 1 spoon or 10 to 12 grams. And the third one is Indukantam Ghritam, which is to be taken 10 to 12 grams twice a day before having food, that is when you feel hungry. And the fourth one is Arvindasava, which is to be taken 15 to 20 ml with the same quantity of water. According to Ayurveda concept, there will be Dhatukshaya and Agnimadhya Avastha after the COVID-19 infection. Hence, Dhatu Poshana and Rasayana Sevana with Dravyas like Vasa and Draksha is to be continued for 45 days. And to combat the residual effects of virus, Vishagna Dravyas to be taken. This should be done after the clinical recovery.